Sorkar hagajan miet rio tarik jemang kala Khot ya ka Jingialang jong Baroh ki seng san perthai ban pensngo hlor ka jinglap jong ka expert committee Haba day ba ka state reservation policy hadin ba ka Sorkar kala wanra hapo ying dor bar thawan ka jilla hadin balawai ka Jingialang haba kransha ki lar pathai Khubor u commissioner and secretary jong ka Sorkar jilla ba Cyril V Darlong ding do IAS ulaya thu ba yakani ka report lawan ra hapo ying dor bar thawan ka jilla hauram phang khat phra tarik 8,000 arpun riu hadian ba menteri rang ba ka jilla ula kular ban Khot ya ka Jingialang bat Baroh ki seng san perthai ha ka jilla ulaya thu ba ka Sorkar kalapan I ya ka jinglap jong ka expert committee shakin nong yalam jong ki seng san perthai ki balawan ban shim banta kani ka kai phot ka don arphuwe volume bat kumba 1,000 sla bala IT shiki seng san perthai kumbala batha do menteri rang ba ka jilla ulaya thu ba Baroh ki seng san perthai kila wan ban shim banta latno ka VPP ka baklam wan henry kala pentip da ka jing tho ya ka jing bam wan shim banta jongki shu ulaya thu ba kampat don kata ka jing thmu ban lumbiang ya ka Jingialang shen henry la kentu ya ki seng san perthai ban pule bat ban a ya ki jing mut shaka Sorkar.
So as you are aware, the report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy was tabled in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on the 18th of February 2026. During the course of those proceedings, Honorable CM had made a statement in the House that all the political parties will be called to seek their views and consultations and to present basically the findings of the report. As you know, this report has already been tabled in the House. It has been given to all the members of the Legislative Assembly. And today we had presented the main findings of the Committee on the Reservation Policy to all the political parties. And Honorable CM has also directed us to give all these political parties a copy of this report. As you know, it's a voluminous report, 21 volumes, almost 4,000 pages. So the findings and the main recommendations of the committee were presented to the political parties, and we had a discussion on the same.
So, what is the view of the majority of the political parties?
It will not be correct for me to talk about their views. I think it's good if you ask them their own views. But the majority of the political parties looked at the presentation and there was no major disagreement with what the committee has found in the report. I don't want to go to the details of the report. It's a very lengthy report. The recommendations are there. I think it's already been shared with the press. All of you know the recommendations. So they appreciated the fact that the government has called them, as Honorable Chief Minister had said that this will happen. And Honorable CM also directed that copies of this report should be given to all of them. And if required, further consultations will be held with others.
The status quo, everybody agreed. So, will there be any further meetings, all party, or this is the first and last?
All the political parties attended, except one. So, I don't think there is a need for any other meeting. Some political parties may also give further suggestions after they go through the report. So, we have requested them to go through the report in detail. It's a voluminous report. We have presented, obviously, in 1 hour time. You can present only the main issues, the legal position, the constitutional position, since a lot of the issues dealt with the constitutional law issue or the legal issue. And these were presented to the political parties. And all of them greatly appreciated the fact that the government had called them and we had made this presentation to the political parties.
The VPP fought for review of reservation policy and the report is ready. Why they did not attend?
So they gave in writing that they will not be able to attend, but you should ask them that. They of course informed us that they will not be attending. We had invited all the political parties. But as to why they didn't attend, I think that question you have to ask them. Thank you.